Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best hot plates. A hot plate can be the perfect solution for people who don't have a lot of countertop space to spare for multiple stove burners and other kitchen appliances. Whether you're looking to move into your first apartment or are simply not a big fan of cooking complicated dishes with expensive pots and pans, investing in a hot plate will always make perfect sense. In this video, we will be going over 5 of our top picks for the best hot plates in the market today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th hot plate in our list is the Cuisinart CB30P1, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The Cuisinart CB30P1 is a cast iron single burner that'll expand the amount of cooking space in any kitchen you put it in. It is quite powerful with an operating power of 1300 watts, making it capable of immediately reaching a high temperature from the get-go. Aside from this, we also found that the single burner is very good at maintaining its temperature while cooking. This means you will have less worry about cooking times fluctuating as time goes on while you're cooking. The cast iron plates are without coils and sturdy, making it easier for you to maneuver your hand around them when cleaning. In addition to this, the premium brushed stainless steel looks attractive and will make any kitchen or camping space a bit more elevated. Not to mention that you will be able to use over 6 temperature settings, which range from low to high, to cook a whole meal or just keep food warm. With its small and portable nature, it is perfect for small places anywhere without a kitchen, including RVs, boats, patios, and dorm rooms. For the specific dimensions and weight of this burner, it's 11 by 11.5 by 2.5 inches and 6.85 pounds. Despite being perfect in almost every way, some customers have mentioned that it burns a little hotter than expected at higher temperature settings, so be sure to keep an eye on it at first and get used to the difference in certain temperature intervals over time. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who love a compact design that's easy to use, clean, and master. The 4th hot plate in our list is the CUSIMAX 1800-watt ceramic electric hot plate, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This double burner unit from CUSIMAX is handy and provides extra countertop cooking options for any kitchen space. The high-quality double crystallite glass plate and stainless steel housing are very attractive and make a great first impression on guests. The very modern design also makes it ideal for most kitchen designs nowadays. But enough about the design. Let's talk about performance. Cooking with this portable electric infrared cooktop is very easy, and you'll be able to prepare a meal for yourself in as little as a few minutes. Best of all, even if you're in the office or away on a camping trip, it is powerful enough to heat all kinds of foods and is even strong enough to cook a homemade meal from scratch. Also, thanks to its portable and lightweight design, you can take it with you whenever you need to travel far away from home. In terms of size, it measures 20.87 by 14.57 by 4.13 inches and weighs just 7.74 pounds. On the less positive side of things, this double burner's unit controls can get a bit hot if you're using it at higher temperatures for a long time. This is why we suggest using a pair of mittens when cooking to avoid getting burned. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who are about to cook a bit more food than what a single burner can provide. The 3rd hot plate in our list is the Duxtop LCD Portable Double Induction Cooktop, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The Duxtop LCD Portable Double Induction Cooktop is as close to a futuristic piece of kitchen equipment as you're ever going to get. This professional digital countertop induction double burner is equipped with 2 independent heating zones that can be controlled independently with the use of an LCD display screen. The double induction burner also uses 120 volts and 15 amperes of electricity, making it standard for most American homes. In addition to this, a child safety lock system helps protect you and your loved ones from injuries such as scalding. During our testing phase, our team found the touch control panel to be intuitive and straightforward to use, and this was true despite the fact that some members of our team were already adept with kitchen technology. And as if that's not impressive enough, the rapid heating of this double burner makes cooking fast and easy, with no downtime to be expected at any point. There's also no open flame or heating element, so food does not get burned on the burner's glass top. This makes the unit easy to clean, as you can just wipe it with a damp towel. As for the overall dimensions, this double burner unit measures 4 by 17.1 by 25 inches and weighs 12.8 pounds. Now, despite being great in most aspects, it still has a steep price tag. being the most expensive item on this list. Nevertheless, it easily justifies the price it commands with great design and performance that's hard to top. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to individuals who are very much into cooking already and are looking to make a big investment into the world of hot plates. The second hot plate in our list is the Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. With this Elite Gourmet electric double buffet burner in your arsenal, cooking will be quicker, simpler, and more reliable than ever before. One 6.5-inch and one 6-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are included with this portable electric hot plate, so you're sure to enjoy dependable heating while having little to no worry about making room in your tiny kitchen space. On another note, with dual adjustable temperature knobs that provide low, mid, and hot settings, the double burner heats up quickly and reliably. This is thanks to the powerful 1500 watts of power that ensures your cooking experience is enjoyable and hassle-free. On top of that, the power indication lights provides additional security with the nonstick cast iron hot plates, making sure that your home is safe for potential kitchen mishaps and accidents. Thanks to its nonstick design, we're also happy to tell you that cleanup is simple and breezy with this double burner unit. And last but not least, its small size makes it the ideal complement to any cook's collection, with a size of 9 by 16.5 by 3 inches and a weight of 5.61 pounds. Now, it does have drawbacks just like any other models out there, such as the plastic knobs, which can feel a bit inferior to other burners knobs. Despite this, we think this burner is worth the purchase given its affordable price point. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who are looking for a sensible and budget-friendly option for their kitchen appliance shopping. Finally, we have come to the best hot plate in our list, which is the Ovente electric single infrared burner ceramic glass hot plate cooktop, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This lovely single burner unit from Ovente is the most affordable item on the list, which is mighty impressive given how it never cuts corners in terms of materials and construction. The ceramic and glass top design is very modern looking, making it a competitive kitchen appliance when lined up with other units that are at higher price points. Moving on from the burner's design, you will also see that this burner uses infrared technology, a sophisticated mechanism for smooth top electric ranges that swiftly and evenly heats food. Almost any sort of cookware works nicely with this countertop burner, so you can get started right away even if you already have a collection of different kinds of pots and pans of varying materials. Last but not least, we cannot overstate how easy it is to clean the crystalline glass and the stainless steel housing of this single burner unit. In fact, it probably won't take you more than a minute, as you can simply wipe the cooktop with a clean damp cloth. As for the size, it has overall dimension of 9 by 9.5 by 2.75 inches and a weight of 2.4 pounds. As far as downsides go, some customers mentioned that it can be a bit slow to get a pot of water to boil. However, we found no problem in any other kitchen application such as frying and searing foods. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to kitchen beginners who are not too keen to make such a big investment in something that they may not use that often in the future. This entry-level hot plate is the best option for such people, so don't be too quick to write it off just yet. And there you have it, folks, our best hot plates which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next hot plate roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.